Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Jeep Wrangler gas cap. This simple maintenance task is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's fuel system integrity and preventing evaporative emissions. You'll only need a new gas cap and a flathead screwdriver. Let's get started with the first step, which involves accessing the old cap and preparing for its removal. First, open your Jeep's fuel door to expose the gas cap. You'll notice a retaining ring that holds the cap in place. Take your flathead screwdriver and carefully, but firmly, pry off this retaining ring. Once the ring is loose, you can then detach the tether that connects the old gas cap to your vehicle. This frees the old cap for complete removal. Now, take your new gas cap and attach its tether to the corresponding slot on your Jeep. Next, align the new retaining ring over the fuel filler neck and press it down firmly until it snaps securely into position. Finally, screw on the new gas cap, ensuring it clicks several times to confirm a proper seal. This indicates it's correctly installed. After installation, double-check that your new gas cap is securely sealed to prevent any fuel vapor leaks. It's also a good practice to periodically inspect your gas cap for any signs of wear, cracks, or damage to ensure continued optimal performance. For other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.